got a law firm out there whose name is the Consumer Protection Firm. Well, perhaps that tells you all you need to know. They are out there to help us, the consumers, make sure that we are taken care of. And the person behind that, attorney Billy Howard, who is back with us now to talk about his law firm and perhaps how he can help you at home as well. Billy, it's good to see you again. How are you?
Hey, great to see you. I'm doing wonderful.
So I know we've got to discuss eventually the little Vince Lombardi over your shoulder. But before we get to that, let's talk a little bit about the Consumer Protection Firm. And that name really does say it all. You're out there to help the consumers, right?
Right. So I named my firm the Consumer Protection Firm because I wanted to focus on protecting consumers. And, the best way to protect consumers is to put as much money in their pocket as possible. I've been doing injury cases for over 20 years, but I wanted the consumers out there to know that we do a lot more than that. We do anything that has to do with fighting over money or having your personal space invaded. And an invasion of privacy case is a data breach case, a robocall case, or a debt collection harassment case, whether you owe the money or not. And like you said, I love what I do. And I love having a conversation like I did yesterday, where I told my client, you need to sit down because I have some good news for you. And in the next 30 days, I'm going to put over $50,000 in your pocket because you were harassed over money that you didn't know. And, we see a lot of those cases, and I love fighting for consumers and I love getting them good results.
Oh, I love you sharing that story with us. And, I'm curious, though. I feel like during this time of COVID, and now that, the light is at the end of the tunnel, it seems, there was a lot of talk about foreclosures and evictions and rent, and a lot of people struggled with those elements. One group I have not thought about until today, students. And that's really become something that's taken up a lot of your time, and in a good way, because you're helping those students.
Right. So Jackie Calloway just did a story on our class actions. We were the first firm in Florida to go after these apartment complexes who were harassing people for rent and amenities that were closed. You remember last year, students were forced home in droves for safety, and the colleges refunded money back to the students that were living in dorms, but a lot of apartment complexes refused to do so. So meanwhile, they're taking in millions from their PPP loans, but then turning around and harassing college students and their families. And it's been a lot of fun representing families, and we're going to get in front of a jury very soon and ask them if they think that's fair. And, that's why a lot of these cases settle, is because a jury is not going to like the conduct of a lot of these people. And, again, that's what makes our job fun.
Well, again, students, something I didn't even think about when they were sent home. So I'm glad you brought light to that. You also used the word harassing and even mentioned robocalls. Let's dive into that. Say you are a person at home that is watching, that is dealing with those harassing robocalls. Any tips?
Gosh, there's a lot of tips. I was suing robo callers and robo texters before it was cool. And you talk about a lot of fun. Suing these companies that are calling people hundreds and thousands of times. We've been able just recently to put over $10 million in a lot of our clients' pockets. And that is because these robo-dialers are calling around the country and they're not doing it with your permission. So what you need to do is you need to save the messages that are left on your phone and figure out who is calling you. If you have a legitimate company calling you, every single one of those calls are most likely worth $1,500.
That is something good to keep in mind. I also wanted to talk with you a little bit about injury cases, though, because I know you help folks with that. However, we are out of time, and I cannot not mention or go back to I see a Super Bowl football and a Vince Lombardi there. Explain what that's all about, because that's had some excitement in your life since we last saw you as
All
well.
right. So the injury cases, the secret to injury cases, some of them aren't that hard. You send them a check and they send you money. And when they do that, we reduce our fee or sometimes waive it. So that's the injury. That's my secret to the injury cases. The secret to the Lombardi trophy is that little guy right next to it is my son, 8-year-old Will Howard, who's the Chris Godwin of the Little Bucks. They won the Super Bowl in South Tampa with a 10-0 season, and they got a Lombardi trophy, and it's sitting right next to the Super Bowl football that we got at the Super Bowl this year. So congratulations to both.
I love it. We've had Chris Godwin on the show, as a matter of fact. So thank you for being with us. We're glad you're on our show. There's the information so you can get in touch. Of course, the consumerprotectionfirm.com is a great place to start.